Yeah. Because I know you said these things 100 times. Okay. So let's start up with you. Start up with you. You tell me about your character in the film.
I play a character called Boromir, who's from Gondor, the land of men. Very ancient race of people, very dignified, chivalrous group of people, but unfortunately are always on the forefront of the battle and constantly keeping the evil away from their frontiers, and in a sense keeping it away from the Shire in order that these people can live a sheltered existence, the hobbits and various other communities and species of people that inhabit this world. And I join the Fellowship reluctantly, but in order ultimately to try and save my people and bring back the dignity and glory that they once had by using the ring to destroy the enemy, and so therefore bring peace to the world. But that's not really the way it's done, and I didn't understand the complexities of the ring, but I do towards the end.
Okay, then. John.
I play Gimli the dwarf, who is one of the representatives, dwarf, yes, who's one of the representatives, the only representative of the dwarves that agrees to escort Frodo in his journey to try and get rid of the ring. And I'm a very suspicious character, but I rather trust Strider, and I'm pretty well disposed towards the other humans. Can't stand elves.
Mm-hmm. But he learns something during the voyage or the journey.
Oh yes, indeed. Of course, he becomes completely seduced by the elf queen and loses. I mean, because he fears her as an enchantress, and of course, once he sees her, he falls under her spell, but in a different way. That's very touching. The relationship that develops between the elf and the dwarf.
Okay, thanks a lot. Viggo, så er vi nået til dig. Kan du fortælle om dit engagement i projektet? Jeg har lige fået at vide af instruktøren, at du var en stor hjælp til at få inkorporeret den nordiske mytologi i filmen.
Ja, jeg havde altså ikke læst bogen, da jeg fik jobbet, og jeg vidste ikke, hvad de ventede af mig. Men da jeg læste bogen i New Zealand og på flyveren på vej over, sådan lidt nervøst, så genkendte jeg de elementer af nordisk mytologi, som Tolkien havde mere eller mindre brugt, stjålet, må man sige, ikke? Og også irsk mytologi. Og så tænkte jeg, wow, det kan være sjovt det her. Det er ikke så tit, at man får lov at være med i en vikingfilm, ikke? Det var sjovt at være med.
Kan vi også lige nå at få bare et par ord omkring din karakter, som er meget, meget væsentlig i bogen?
Ja, det er en lang historie for ham. Jeg ser det ikke som 3 film. Det er en lang historie for ham. Han er lidt i tvivl i begyndelsen, og han vokser gennem de 3 fortællinger, må man sige. Så det var interessant at have den erfaring. Det er ikke, han er ikke en klog og stærk mand fra begyndelsen. Det er sådan, han vokser langsomt og blomstrer ligesom gruppen gør, Fellowship. Og det var det, jeg mest kunne lide, at det var et godt hold, og det var, jeg må sige, at det var nok den bedste erfaring, jeg har haft holdmæssigt. Det stjærlige igen i en anden film for mig, tror jeg.
I think what he said was, watch the movies and eat Danish pastry. I think that's what he said.
you've learned something as well. You learned more than just, falling in love.
Absolutely.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Det var hyggeligt. Jeg håber, at jeg har hørt nogle rygter om, at de prøver at få dig til Danmark.